What's up? Welcome to Tech Select with me, Linus, right here on this wonderful channel. Today we are having yet another amazing product review on this channel, and today we have with us the DJI Osmo 4. Forgive me, I got it out of the box. Those that wanted to see the unboxing, check out this link over here. I did unbox it with Dave Okwi all the way from oduka.com. That is when I actually did get a chance to unbox this. So today we get to play around with it. Right, so those that missed the unboxing, these are the items you find in the Osmo package in this box right here. You have the gimbal itself, a tripod stabilizer, a clamp, and a magnetic back. Now that goes over here. For those that don't want to use, the clamp 24/7, you can use this nicely designed magnetic back right here. Now, for those that use phones, and there's that back phone, so this would be attached to your phone like that and gives you like a phone ring, to handle your phone very well. So on here there's an adhesive which you peel off, and then you use this guide over here to measure out your phone, and then that would guide you on where to attach this. Now this is just simple if you don't want to keep taking the clamp on and off, but I am very perfectly happy with using the clamp. Now that is a quick recap for those that missed the video of the unboxing with Dave. Right, so now when you get your Osmo out of the box, it's going to be folded like this. I like this because it gives it easy transportation and it's easy for you to carry around. Now of course, this being a very light gimbal, it weighs about 390 grams, and of course in here you'll be getting yourself a battery which is about 240 milliamp hours, which takes you about 2.5 hours to charge from zero, and that's just a good combination. Gives it very good aesthetics and something light for you to carry around. Now this folds up, as you can see. This is what it would look like in the folded position. Open it up like that and you are ready to roll. Now on this you also do get a nice tripod that goes over at the base over here. So if you just tie that in and you set that over the table, you have a nice workable base. Now Osmo 4, unlike the 3, the biggest feature they added is the magnetic top. So this here would be like the clamp or the other ring that I showed you at the beginning. That would just be going over there at any one moment, and I can tell you this is a very, very strong magnet. It's not something you're going to be removing easily. It goes on pretty tight, and there you are. Now to set it all up, you've got to power this up, but step one is you've got to get your phone and install the Mimo app on your phone. So whatever phone it is you have, step one, go to Play Store, if it's Play Store, Android or Apple Store, and download the Mimo app, because you're going to be pairing it over there. So you're going to have to, after installing the Mimo app, open the Mimo app right there, and it will be taking you right to something that looks like this. And I'll be doing a whole video on the DJI Mimo app and all its functions, so you do want to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Now in order to get your phone on, all you have to do, in this case I'm using the clamp, you're going to have to put the clamp over there, stretch it over something like that. Now there it is properly stretched on, and now all you do is just throw that on there, and it will automatically center itself, and it is ready for use. Now I should warn you, when you're installing this clamp here, like any gimbal, be very careful to make sure that the clamp is not pressing any buttons, or you will have issues operating your camera, because the button will be literally giving it the wrong signal. Right, so once you're done installing the Mimo app and you put your clamp on there, open Mimo app, it's going to ask you to pair a device over here. So your Bluetooth has got to be on. Turn that right there, put this here on, and first of all, what I love the most is it auto balances itself. As you can see, that is automatically in position, and now you can just fine tune it over there to whatever you want it to be. But this already gets itself into portrait mode. For the TikTokers out there, I guess this is your native mode. You love things in portrait mode, but you can easily change this over to landscape mode by simply tapping the button twice. Now if you have properly set up your Mimo app, as soon as you turn on your gimbal, it will automatically detect the app and open the camera app for you, and then you are good to go. Now some of the new features that I want to look at are in this new mode here, the panoramic mode over here. Now in the panel, you can either take clone yourself, or you take a 260-degree angle, or just a very wide panel right there. Let's take a clone me setting over there. Let's use the clone me setting and then get shooting, and to see what we end up with. So In order to clone yourself, all you have to do, go to the panel mode and then select clone yourself over there, and then you hit clone. So here we go. Right, yet another one. In terms of stabilization, the DJI Osmo 4 also does amazing work stabilizing footage. As you can see there, we did a running test outside, and much as I was running without actually good composure, it managed to keep the video steady. As you
Hey, my boss, looks like you need the gimbal for your stomach.
Who said that? Well, that isn't available, but what is available is same-day delivery on oduka.com. So go right now, www.oduka.com, and you can place your order for whatever product, be it a power bank, be it creative tools like microphones, even gimbals like this very one over here. You can see very many different items that you can select from, lots of stuff, power banks, memory cards, and a lot more of oduka.com. Now, Oduka offers same-day delivery if you place your order in the morning, and if you place it late afternoon in the evening, you get your item the following day. Now they also do offer delivery to Mukono, Wakiso, and Entebbe right there. So www.oduka.com is where you should be placing your order right now. So let's a quick look at the DJI Osmo 4 right here on Tech Select channel. Some of the features and some of the things it can actually do for you. For a more detailed look into this gimbal, I'll be doing an entire series about the DJI Osmo 4 and a lot more gimbals right here on this channel. So you should actually go right now, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you are alerted each time I drop a new video. But for today, I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.